Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with a review of what many are calling the best sprinkler for small yards, the Eden 96213 Oscillating Sprinkler. Designed to cover up to 3,600 square feet, the Eden 96213 Oscillating Sprinkler is a game-changer for anyone looking to keep their lawn lush and green without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this sprinkler stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk precision. With 16 precision nozzles, this sprinkler ensures maximum coverage for your lawn or garden. Whether you have a small backyard or a cozy garden space, the Eden 96213 has you covered. Plus, its easy-to-use sliding tab range controls make adjusting coverage a breeze. No more fussing with complicated settings or struggling to reach every corner of your yard. And let's not forget about stability. Thanks to its weighted base, this sprinkler stays put, even in windy conditions. No more worrying about it tipping over or shifting out of place mid-watering. But wait, there's more. The Eden 96213 also boasts a patented sealed turbo drive motor for smooth operation and a longer gear life. And with a built-in cleaning tool for nozzle maintenance, keeping your sprinkler in top shape is easier than ever. Simply use the cleaning tool to remove any debris or buildup from the nozzles, ensuring consistent performance every time. So, if you're in the market for the best sprinkler for small yards, look no further than the Eden 96213 Oscillating Sprinkler. With its precision nozzles, easy-to-use controls, and durable construction, it's sure to keep your lawn looking its best year-round. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy watering!